The 1969 Corvette Stingray here at Kandi's Rods and Customs came into us with a few issues already showing on the exterior. Now we know how this goes with any type of work here at the Hot Rod Shop. If we see it on the outside, we're likely going to find more once we start the teardown. Now this wasn't a full rotisserie build, so we didn't have to take it all the way off the frame. However, we still took all the chrome off, took the headlight bezels out, and everything in between to ensure the proper teardown so we could see everything that we were going to get into. And boy, did we get into some stuff. Unfortunately, we found a lot of improper repairs that were stuffed with Bondo. And hey, this isn't metal, this is fiberglass, guys. That means we had to do the proper fiberglass fabrication work. Oh yeah, it was a little extensive, but nothing we couldn't handle. I mean, guys, you've seen our work, right? So that's what we did. We took this all the way down, we did the proper fiberglass body repairs, and then we prepped it and got it all the way ready for primer. But we didn't use a normal primer on it. Oh no, not because of those custom fiberglass repairs that we did. We used an insane heavy primer on this, guys. And let me tell you, we were all dirty for weeks. This thing's like clay on this car. But what it does is it enables us to give a beautiful finish and make sure when you're going over new fiberglass and old fiberglass that you get a consistent flow underneath the paint job. And that's why we did that. Of course, we did all the meticulous blocking and sanding, and then we reprimered it. And then we blocked it and sanded again. And then we got it ready for, you guessed it, the beautiful matrix paint job. Now the owner thought he wanted a different color, so we did a spray out. And it turns out he's really glad that we did, because he wanted the true Monza red that was for the 1969 Corvette. That's our apprentice, Emily. She played a big role in this car. Oh my guys, look at that beautiful Stingray. That's right. After all the paintwork was done and the meticulous wet sanding, we installed all the chrome back on, all the exterior items, and there you have it, the 1969 Corvette Stingray. Wow. Check us out at www.kandiscustoms.com to see this full build and process.